Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Gmail password works in the browser so Outlook isn't solving the wrong problem. Once confirmed, make sure two-step verification is enabled. Google will require it for app passwords. Next, generate an app password if you use it, and copy it. This replaces your normal password in Outlook. Then open Outlook and go straight to Account Settings to add or edit the Gmail account. These first actions remove common auth blockers and get you ready for the detailed connection steps. Now you configure the account. Choose a map with a map, Gmail, COM port 993 and SMTP. Gmail, COM port 587 with Startles. This keeps mail synced across devices. When Outlook asks for authentication, select OAuth 2 for seamless Google sign-in. If Outlook cannot use OAuth 2, paste the app password instead. If you see repeated failures, open Windows Credential Manager and delete any saved Gmail/Outlook entries so old tokens don't interfere. Once done, finish by sending a test email and confirming inbox, sent, and labels sync correctly. This proves both incoming and outgoing are functional. If anything looks off, sign into your Google security page and revoke old app passwords or devices to force clean tokens. Make sure account permissions include mail access. If problems persist, remove the Gmail account from Outlook and re-add it using OAuth 2 or the app password you created. This often resolves lingering token.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.